How's it going, YouTube? Stan back with another video. As you can see behind me, we finally got the Camaro back. That's amazing in its own words, but that's probably not what this video is about. This is early in the morning, day's just kind of getting started, but I got a lot to do today. You can see the CTSV. Had to take the wheels off of it because we got to do something with those. Also behind me, we got the 6-liter. That's what most likely the thumbnail of the video is about, or the title. So that's the main thing, as well as getting the CTSV taken care of. And we'll do something with the Camaro maybe. But I appreciate you guys for watching. This will be a quick video. I'm not really going to talk too much. We just want to give you guys an update because I like to take you guys along every step of the way with everything that I do. And that's the plan today, to just kind of show the progress of where we're at, because we're going to get this 6-liter in this truck and it's going to be nasty. And that's going to happen real soon. But first we got to get it put together. So make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Check out my Amazon affiliate links down below. Alright YouTube, so I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end. But I've got one thing to ask you. Go down in the description of this video and hit those Amazon affiliate links. But let me explain how it works. You see this box in my hand? This is a Noco Genius 10. But if you don't know what this is a portable jump box. Lately, more than I would like to admit, me and my dad have needed a jump box. Well, his birthday's coming up. So I figured, how can I solve this problem and get him something that he can actually use? Well, I said, let's get him a jump box. Hopped on Amazon, clicked on my Amazon affiliate link, and bought it. So this is going to be the first link in the description below. But here's the trick. If you just click on those links, whether you're buying something for yourself or for someone else as a gift or surprise or anything like that, it uses my affiliation all the way throughout your checkout. So like I said, it's that simple. Just click the link, it takes you to Amazon, buy whatever your heart desires, and I get a little kickback. But you don't have to give me money, you're gonna give it to Amazon anyway, so just help me out. Like I said, I really hope you enjoy the video. That's it. Alright, so here we are, the 6-liter. Not gonna bore you guys with it too much, but mainly what I have to do is get the pistons and rods, the camshaft, the timing set out of this engine. I'm the type of guy, nothing in this engine is gonna get used, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out from my engine builder. Hopefully it'll help him get it to me a little bit faster. So there's no reason to take all that stuff inside the engine, because if we're not using any of it, the only thing that's staying in there is the main caps and the crank. Obviously the bearings are inside the caps with the crank, yada yada, but I'm not taking those out. I'm taking everything else out, and we're gonna send it to him like that, or take it to him like that. That way it'll make his life a little bit easier. But with that being said, look at that thing. Look at it. Look at that thing shining. I just had to show you guys really quick. I'm just gonna time lapse this. No reason for you guys to watch me take apart the engine. You've probably seen other people do it 1,000 times. Alright, just to give you guys a quick look at it, the crank's in really good shape, which I kind of expected. and was hoping for, because I really want to use this crank. Even though I got a crank in that motor I can use, and I got another one in the back room, but it's all in good shape. So I just wanted to show you that. The time lapse is a little bit longer than I thought, and of course my naked eye can't tell, but the cylinder walls look like they're in good shape. So once this bad boy gets cleaned up, it should be good. But like I said, that's just me looking at it. But other than that, we are almost ready. I gotta get it off this engine stand and get in the truck and all that good stuff, but we're down to where we need to be. And if you don't know, these are all the parts for it. So we got Frankenstein ported heads, pistons and rods, a lot of different Texas Speed stuff, ARP bolts for everything, ARP main studs, cam motion stage 3 camshaft, I believe. So yeah, cam motion stage 3 Titan 3 LS1 camshaft is what we went with. So all this good stuff is going in there to build a solid motor. But let me finish up. Alright, so I gotta move the car real quick so we can get this engine out. So I figured since the car's back, we'll throw it in a video of a fresh cold startup. So let's see what it sounds like. Alright, so unfortunately the car is in stealth mode, so that wasn't quite as exciting as I thought it would be. But anyways, we're gonna get this engine in the truck and then we'll be on our way. You can just watch me struggle with it, because that's pretty much what's gonna happen. Good news, we're in the money. My oil pump's here. Thought I was gonna have to take this motor without it, but we're good to go now. We are good to go. That worked out perfectly. You probably can't see it, but you know what it is. Let me help you all out. Boom. You know what it is. Melon oil pump. I like the high pressure stuff. Probably not necessary, but it makes me feel better. If you got oil pressure, you got a good engine, so that's major. I didn't think I was gonna get that. Alright, so I figured I'll show you guys what we're working with. CTSV wheels and tires. These tires are shot, so we gotta get the CTSV right. And then 6.0 iron block, Gen 3, almost Gen 4 type of guy, because it's like a 04, and I found out you can have like a 04 which has similar Gen 4 stuff, really just the head bolt design, versus the Gen 3s. You still got your knock sensors and everything in there. So we got that guy. Then, like I just told you guys, oil pump just showed up. That's good. The rocker arms, the camshaft, Frankenstein heads, pistons, rod bearings, cam bearings, main bearings, head studs, main studs, ARP bolts galore. I think we're ready. I gotta go pick up a few things at Attitude when I drop these bad boys off, so we'll do that and then we'll be ready to go. Alright, YouTube, so I didn't do a good job at the end of this video, but this is the end. Appreciate you guys for watching. I didn't really Anytime I get to the machine shop, I just forget to record, but there's really not much going on, just dropping off the stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's late. I realized I didn't record the outro to this video, so I wanted to do that. Just a quick update on what's going on around here. Got some really good content coming for you guys soon, including the 1LE, some stuff at the dealership, and the 6.0. So stuff everywhere. I appreciate you guys for watching. Everybody have a good day. Give this video a thumbs up. Peace.